Hi, my name's Gene Bound, and I am a member here at Peak. I have long-standing feet issues going on, and got to the point where I was going to the VA a lot, and they just saying, we don't, doing the scans, we don't see any broken bones. They didn't have any real answers for me, and then my wife told me about Peak, and I got started here mainly for the chiropractic sessions that come along with it.
So Gene presented to me with issues with his feet primarily. He is a veteran and constantly wore boots. The guidance that he was given from his podiatrist and the VA hospital was basically remain in that footwear. They did a lot of different x-rays and imaging, MRIs to try to figure out what was going on. And he was wearing shoes 24/7, just not comfortable being barefoot. Gene is a very active person, likes hiking, cycling, running, you name it outdoors, he likes to do it. So it was kind of interesting that Gene put his full faith in me when I was giving the exact opposite advice of a lot of other doctors. Instead of telling him to get more and more padded footwear, we did some aggressive treatments. We were also giving some exercises on how to strengthen some of those muscles and to also try to stretch some of these muscles that were tight, chronically tight over the years. In the office, what we were doing is we were using a technique that we call muscle stripping, or most patients know as the scraper. So we used the scraper on Gene and we hit the calves. We also worked on the plantar fascia and the lateral compartment of the lower leg, try to help loosen things up and get blood flow to the area. The idea is to just really promote a lot of blood flow to the area so the body can heal it up properly. In addition to that, we were using a therapy called ultrasound on the bottom of the foot. Ultrasound uses sound waves to try to break up some of the scar tissue in that area and also push blood flow through that area.
So I started in, the end of last year, November, and I think maybe within about 3 months, my feet really started to come around a lot. I can now walk barefoot around the house and stuff like that. I'm not in special shoes, and I feel like I'm getting a piece of my life back even, where I didn't think I'd be able to walk, do long hikes and stuff like that, but now things are coming around. I absolutely recommend Peak. Just a great mindset here. They'll put you down the path of what's right for your body at a pace that's good for your body. And I think they know what they're doing here.